welcome back to another video. In this video we are gonna tackle this ugly mess that is our hallway. As you remember, we have done the stairs, we have painted one of the walls, and we always just left this wall because we had always changed the plans. We want to insulate it, we want to do this, we want to do that. So we always just left it, and we haven't even done like the frame around the windows like the rest of the house is. So it's just the two last windows that have not been done, and we have to get on with doing it because I want to give it a paint coat. This wall is just looking really bad with spots of cement, spots of kind of old things. It's just not nice to look at. So I think let's get started, cut this foam off and make it a lot more beautiful, these windows.
That already is gonna make it more beautiful. Just
yes,
the foam to be
get
gone.
rid of the foam, yeah.
I don't know. It's like
been 4 years, I think, since we installed these.
Yeah, it's been exactly more than 4 years since we installed the windows, and we never cut the foam.
Yeah, no, cutting the foam you do whenever you want to cement it. So let's do it now.
Today's the day. So, as you saw, we finished cleaning up the foam and it already looks so much better. But before we get on with the final step, which is the cement, we're gonna talk about today's sponsor, which is Foreo from Sweden, and it's a skincare company. But before I explain you what this little thing does, Foreo has given us an incredible deal for you guys. They already have up to 50% off in their whole website, and together with our code, you can get an additional 10% off, so make sure to check the link down below in case you're interested. And what this little thing is, this one is the UFO 3 that provides deep facial hydration. It might seem small, but it does magic, and it has 5 anti-aging spa facials. 2 of my favorite features are the cooling and heating therapy. The cooling helps me tip up those eyes in the morning and my skin, and the heating therapy helps in the evening after a long day of work and sitting in front of the screen and editing videos. And another thing that it has is the light therapy, and it's fully customizable, so you can do whatever light therapy your skin requires. So this little thing has fully changed my routine, since I don't really have much time to put a 20-minute mask on. This one does it just in 2 minutes with the vibration and the light all in one. So it's quick, easy, and perfect for a busy day. Thanks again to Foreo for sponsoring this video. Don't miss out in the holiday sale. Make sure to check the link down below, and don't forget to use our code for an additional 10% off and gift yourself and your skin the perfect gift for the holidays. So let's now continue with the video. I might just sit here. I don't even want to go back to work. It's so good. You have to try that out, David.
Me? I thought the people in the video.
You haven't tried that out. It's so nice. It's like an iron for your skin. Get those wrinkles go away.
Like you have any?
Well, rather start early than too late. This hungry wrinkles, you need to iron those away. Oh, go away wrinkles. And the eye wrinkles appearing slowly.
They actually all lift, I think. You have no wrinkles left.
Oh, it scared me. Don't squint.
It's very hot. Like.
You like it hot?
Yeah. Huh. Okay, let's get back to work. Enough face treatments.
That's gonna be our evening couple routine.
Start with bottom, start with top.
Top to bottom, I would say. So whatever falls down does not ruin what we just did.
True. Smart.
We'll always do that mistake. You see, I know we always do the same mistake. That's why I said go from top to bottom, because all of this beauty would be now not beauty.
Wow, I actually am surprised myself.
That looks amazing.
There's some spots I would like to do, but in theory now you could just go over with plastering, after it dries of course, and make it really smooth. But I think we're gonna leave it because anyways the walls are rough,
Yes.
and we would need to plaster all the walls. I think that's why we bought 3 buckets of plaster, because we expected to plaster these. I think that would be nightmare work right now. We can always come back to it, so you don't mind if paint is below plaster. So paint it. Done. For now, it's a quick fix, just to look a bit better. But I feel like that
should have been done since day one, because
Yeah.
that was ugly.
that was disgusting. It's the first thing you see is when you enter, you see all these walls, and it's like, eee. So now it's gonna look a lot better. Look at this beautiful arc. We're definitely gonna leave that brick.
Yeah.
Paint all of this, all the walls, and that's gonna look beautiful. Let's get on with the next window.
Yeah, that is incredible.
The
though.
bottom, I feel like I've really outdid myself.
And that was pretty quick. You did that like in an hour?
I got into it.
Yeah, at the start it was pretty annoying, but then perfect. And the other window is much easier, I think, hopefully,
It has a lot
because it
done
has
already.
already this whole wall done. So Just gotta fill in.
It might be easier, not harder. So we have finished both of the windows, and it's actually a few hours later, and it's already rock hard. It's like the fastest drying cement ever, and then here's only like 15 degrees, so it's not like the warmest. And I've been spraying it with water just to prevent cracking, because it can crack if it dries too fast. And I have stopped it, it didn't crack. I am good. And yeah, I think it looks really beautiful. This one came out really nice because it's on like a curve, both of them. And the other one was kind of not pre-done, but the window fit perfectly where it was already. This one we cut bigger. And it was bigger mess than this one. This one I did a lot faster. That one I was messing around for a lot longer and I was hating it. But we somehow managed it. And I think it looks okay. It's definitely better than with the foam. I think we have made a big improvement. Tomorrow we're going to clean up there on the window. This all should come off pretty simple. So in a few days we can get it and paint it, and it's gonna look really gorgeous with the white walls, I think, and also white around the frames. It's gonna make the whole hallway also brighter. These windows are really small, both of them, and there's not much light here naturally, so I think that's gonna be a big help. And that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks again to Freya for sponsoring this video, and we're gonna see you in the next one. Bye bye.
This is gonna look beautiful and very low budget.